Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials and taking immediate action. Power cycle your Xbox and router, then connect with Ethernet if available. Once done, check your NAT type and current bandwidth so you know whether the issue is network or device side. Make sure other devices aren't saturating the connection. Pause downloads and streaming. You'll now run a speed test and note latency and jitter. This gives you baseline numbers to compare after each change, so you can measure improvement instead of guessing. You now make targeted optimizations. Assign your Xbox a static IP and configure port forwarding or CoS on the router to prioritize gaming packets. Once configured, change Xbox power settings to the optimal mode and close background apps to free CPU and network resources. Make sure both router firmware and Xbox OS are updated. Outdated software can introduce latency. If problems persist, switch to a reliable DNS like 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8 to reduce lookup delays and test again for lower ping. You finish by validating changes in-game. Select the best server region and run multiple matches to confirm consistent latency improvement. If the delay remains, swap Ethernet cables, try another power outlet, or test a different router to isolate hardware faults. Once you've isolated variables, capture diagnostics, latency logs, and trace routes to show patterns. If evidence points to ISP or platform issues, contact them with your data. A key troubleshooting tip: always retest after each single change so you know which action fixed or worsened the delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.